Alright, 2012 Toyota Camry V6, 3.5 liter SE, cabin air filter change. Got this from O'Reilly's 3684, made by MicroGuard. This is direct replacement for the cabin air filter for the Camry. This is how you do it. Open your car. Sorry for the dirty mats, gotta clean this up a little bit. Got this little entry right here, pull on the tab, comes right out afterwards. We have two small little tabs on the sides here, which you have to basically fold in. Fold in also. Couple wiggles. Pops right off. Then you got the filter right here. Pinch it, grab it. Oh, there you go. And pull it right out. And holy cow, that is dirty. Put it back in the same way, you'll be all set. So new filter, old filter, pretty dirty. Little instructions on this guy. It says go up, pretty simple, just push it right back in with the up sign. Clamp it all back together and we'll be all set. There's also a little sign on this that says up too, so just make sure that's up. Snap. Snap. Then back to the original plate here. That's it.